Hey guys, this is Lycoris and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox, build, and be taking a closer look at LEGO's Brick Sketches The Joker. So Brick Sketches is a fairly new theme that LEGO released last year. Currently there are 4 sets in this series, and the Joker we're building today is set number 40428 and includes 170 pieces. Alright, let's open it up. So there's 3 bags of Legos plus an instruction manual. There's only 170 pieces to this set, so I estimate build time should be around, I think, 30 minutes. And as always, before building my Legos, I like to sort out the pieces using an organizer. This way it really speeds up the whole entire build and adds on to the building experience. And in today's video, I am using a leftover Ferrero Rocher container to sort out my pieces. I find it the best organizer I've found so far to sort out pieces for smaller sets like this one and also for breakheads. Alright, let's build some Legos.